First of all, I would like to thank all of you, especially our instructor, Zabil Institute. As a construction supervisor, you know that we are dealing with contractors in the first, I would say, row. And I think that knowledge and that's information that we received here will help me especially to dealing with contractors on site, in communication field. That's why I think this course that we get here really will be helpful for me as a construction supervisor, and definitely we will use and we will refer to the to the information and to the course that we have received here. So once again, thank you very much. We appreciate your efforts for us. Thank you for everything, for hospitality, and for institution at all. Thank you.
Thank you.